See? He sees this movement. By doing this type of work, when you start to heal your movement, he comes, you can hit, and it's very, very natural, and he doesn't see this. Hi everybody, I'm Adam Zettler. March 16th, we'll be doing a Zoom class, and the topic is going to be breathing for natural movement. So just some of the basic things we're going to study that day is if a person lays down. This is a basic thing we do every day, natural. When we sit, when we stand. So from this position, you start to add breathing to this natural movement. Just normal breathing. Because usually we sit, when we stand up, when we stay straight, we don't add breathing to this anymore. And the problem with, through our lifetime, without proper breathing, our movements, we accumulate tension, which starts to take away our natural movement. That's why when people are very tense, it's very, very visible. So this class is going to be, I hope to be very healing class. And so the drill is going to be like this, from static positions. And then he starts to lift his arm. And when he feels tension, he needs to stop. And you start to breathe through where he has small tension. Because this movement is a very natural movement when we grab something. But usually we grab and we accumulate tension. So once he starts to heal this movement by adding breathing to it, he starts to go higher. And what's very good about this exercise, it's quite simple but very hard, because if inside we're very tense, if we're very fast inside, it's very hard to do this work. If heart rate is fast, we're too stressed. So with this work, when you do this properly, your inner condition will start to match your outside. So if you're too tense, you won't be able to do this. So this is very healing for the whole person, because you have to slow down, you have to breathe, you have to connect your breathing to simple movements. Okay? And then after this, then he starts to make the movement, breathing first, you start to lift the arm, and it should be so natural. Things we do every day. Then he does both arms together. Okay, tension comes. Start to breathe. So you start to heal your natural movements you do every day. And why we lose it? Because you don't breathe anymore properly. Very good. And then he sits it up. So that's a natural, on your knees here. So that's a natural movement. Example, he grabs me. If I start to do the same movement with tension, it's visible. See the same movement he just did. See? He sees this movement. By doing this type of work, when you start to heal your movement, he comes, you can hit, and it's very, very natural, and he doesn't see this. If he comes to grab me in the movement, and I start to show this movement, look, because my movement's not natural anymore, it becomes a sport. We both see each other. I don't want to show him. So now, natural movement, I can come inside the movement very invisible. So that's the idea for the class, to heal ourselves, and also this can help us for martial arts. Hope to see you there.